Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a updated winter wash and go routine. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. So I use the Cocoa Repair deep conditioner and I deep condition my hair overnight, and this is what it is looking like. So I am just wetting my hair. At this point my hair had a wash and go in it from Christmas, so this was like day 10 hair and I definitely needed to wash my hair. So the deep conditioner definitely made it easy to detangle my hair prior to washing, and now I'm using the Cocoa Wash shampoo, and this shampoo really cleansed my hair with all the product buildup that I had. So I do wash my hair twice with this shampoo, just because the first time I wasn't getting a ton of suds, just because I still had, you know, a lot of product buildup and my hair was drying out a little bit. So I just rinsed that first one out and then I did it again, and you'll see there's way more suds and like it really cleansed my hair. Y'all, I did not realize that it was getting so steamy in there. But next I'm going in again with the Cocoa Repair deep conditioner. And here I'm just like cleaning the lens. And then I'm just detangling my hair. I do this in 4 sections and then I twist them off. And this is just so I can easily detangle my hair. And then I twist them so when I rinse them out in the twist, there's still just a little bit of product left on my hair to kind of act as a leave-in before I move on to styling my hair. So here I'm just rinsing it out gently, and then we're going to start styling our hair. So today I'm using the buttercream from Aunt Jackie's. This product is really good for adding and sealing in moisture. So I'm adding that on, and I literally do the same thing. Add this throughout each section of my hair and then twist it off. Now go ahead and do that so it really, you know, saturates my hair before I move forward with applying the gel. We are using the Curl Boss gel, and then I'm using a Denman style brush, and this is like my little secret weapon. As you can see, when you shingle it through your hair and use that brush, you get lots of definition. So I went ahead and stepped out of the shower and did this in the bathroom, just so I can really make sure I was defining all of my hair and using that brush. And so here I'm just showing you, you want to go ahead and define your part. So whichever side you want your part to be on, you want to go ahead and define it so you can start laying your hair in that direction. And then with the excess gel, I'm just going ahead and swooping my edges with this little comb. And then I included this part so you guys can see that in the front of the hair, you really want to make sure that you're curving that brush as you apply the product, and then brush out your hair so your curls can bounce back. And literally ever since I've been doing this, my curls have been flourishing to the max. And usually the front of my hair is a little bit stringy, but this method has cured my stringy hair. So if you have, you know, heat damaged hair, I definitely recommend trying this method out. Now I'm using my hooded dryer and I'm sitting under here for about 20 minutes, and that just sets your hair in place, and my curls look super defined. And you can leave it like this if you want to, but I like big voluminous hair, so I'm just gonna, you know, use the praying hands method to stretch out my hair a little bit and then diffuse with my blow dryer. And then I'm gonna show you kind of how I put it up at night. I'll put it up in a pineapple like this, and then the next clip you will see is the next day. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It is the next day, so this is technically day 2 here, but it's really day 1.5. I went ahead and fluffed it some more by doing the praying hands method and picking out my hair. So there is a little bit of frizz going on, but I'm loving the volume. I still have so much definition. Like, I didn't even know my curls were more like coils and like that small. Isn't that crazy how products can just define your curls so good? Like, y'all, that's so crazy. Just the ones in the front. If you know me, you know. Like, look at the ones in the front. That's so crazy. I'm literally shook because I've used the Curl Boss gel before, but I haven't really used it with the buttercream as my leave-in. So this plus this is literally like a bomb defined wash and go. This is my updated winter curly hair routine. That's how I wash my hair. Sitting under the hooded dryer makes a world of a difference, as well as using like a Denman style brush. So yeah, all these products are available at Walmart, so make sure you check it out. I will leave links in the description box below. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And if you are a loyal Fam Bam member, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Make sure you also leave me a like down below so I can know that you guys like these type of videos. I love you guys so much. And guys, never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.